Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joanna Brzezińska. Welcome to the official launch of the catalogue number 34. Today I will show you not only new products selected for the first catalogue presentation, but a lot more. Among others, extremely useful mobile applications, making of a photoshoot and a stunning layout. Stay tuned till the end. Once again, we decided to make our catalogue unique in every way. We hired 2 pairs of professional models for the cover photoshoot who reflected the emotions accompanying our novelties on pictures. Here is the making of footage, which will let you feel this incredible atmosphere too. Welcome to the set. You have just been behind the scenes of our photoshoot, effects of which you will see in the upcoming presentations of the catalogue number 34. And now it's time to present the first covers of the latest FM World Product Catalogue. Here they are! Each new product launch will bring 2 new covers. I hope you will like them. There is no denying that our catalogue has undergone quite a change. I think we owe you a few words of explanation. However, I won't say too much because pictures will speak louder than words. I'm sure the video you are about to see will tell you everything.
We created a fully interactive, personalized catalog. This practical solution has added dynamics to your work and made it easier to do business online. Now we have focused on the aesthetic side of our catalogs, the most important of our marketing materials. New layout is a real breath of fresh, clear layout based on multicolored background, modern details, color scheme specific to each product section. Amazing in functionality and stunning in design. With our catalog, you will achieve all your goals.
Composing perfumes is like composing music. The number of chord combinations is endless. They can be combined in a million ways, each time creating a unique fragrance. This time as well, we have designed little works of art. In the Pure Royal collection, there are completely new compositions.
Pure Royal number 842 is a floral and fruity cocktail that will warm up even the coldest day with its appetizing notes. Fragrance notes: head, peach, bergamot, rhubarb, ginger, pear, pineapple, blackcurrant, coconut, apple, mandarin. Hard: jasmine, freesia, rose, lily of the valley, gardenia, green notes, orange flower. Base: vanilla, cedarwood, tonka bean, ambergris, sandalwood, musk. Pure Royal number 849 is ideal for every discerning gentleman who appreciates classic scents with a fresh twist. Fragrance notes: head, mandarin, grapefruit, cistus, pepper, rosemary. Heart: patchouli, ginger, lavender, cedarwood, geranium. Base: benzoin resin, vetiver, amber, musk, dry wood. Pure Royal number 970 is like a silk enveloping shawl, perfect for those who prefer classic cheaper fragrances. Fragrance notes: head, ylang ylang, green notes, rose, fruity notes. Heart: heliotrope, peach blossom, light wood. Base: violet, woody and amber notes, musk. Pure Royal number 975 playfully mixes floral and fruity accords, garnishing them with delicious sugar. Fragrance notes: head, bergamot, orange, grape. Heart: jasmine, freesia, cardamom, magnolia, saffron, pink pepper, rose essence. Base: patchouli, tonka bean, oak moss, cedarwood, peach peel, amber, musk, sugar. Pure Royal number 977 is an aromatic boost of positive energy for feisty, confident women and men. Fragrance notes: head, apple, plum, pineapple, lime, lemon, bergamot, mandarin. Heart: rose, jasmine, lily of the valley, orchid, iris, gardenia. Base: tonka bean, sandalwood, cedarwood, patchouli, white musk, ambergris.
Pure Royal perfumes won the hearts of business partners around the world. But let's not forget about an equally popular product line which paved the way for FM world of fragrances. Today we will present you the first 3 compositions in the Pure line.
Pure number 491 evokes carefree summer holiday moments on the shore of a warm sea with its refreshing breeze and fresh lemon. Fragrance notes: head, ylang ylang, lemon, sea breeze. Heart: jasmine, rose, orange flower. Base: plum, cashmeran, musk. Pure number 492 is a lightweight perfume with a powdery side, owing to almonds and milk hidden at its heart. Fragrance notes: head, rhubarb, daffodil. Heart: almond, milk. Base: cashmere, cedarwood. Pure number 494 is a luminous fragrance for outgoing and charismatic men, perfect for those who are social butterflies. Fragrance notes: head, orange, cinnamon. Heart: iris, vetiver, chestnut. Base: cashmere, tonka bean.
900. This number does not need to be introduced to anyone. You love it for its unique combination of variations on the theme of cherries. Here we have the accords of sour and sweet fruit and liqueur. You always enthusiastically welcome new products with this fragrance, and we hope this time it will be the same. Here is the first new product from the catalogue number 34, Perfumed Soap Bar.
Perfumed Soap Bar perfectly cleanses the skin, and thanks to its formula rich in glycerine, argan and avocado oils, as well as mango and shea butter, it also moisturizes, lubricates and nourishes the skin. Contains carbon with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It softens keratinized epidermis and leaves a fine protective film on the skin. Signature Pure Royal scent has given the soap its beautiful aroma.
We also have an absolute hit for you from the Aloe Vera series. This beauty product can be used in many different ways. Owing to its fresh aroma, light texture and many applications, you will certainly want to have it in your makeup bag. Check out this vegan, containing almost 100% organic aloe vera skincare must-have.
This multifunctional gel is intended for face, body and hair care. It contains 99% moisturizing and nourishing aloe vera from organic plantations in Mexico, as well as soothing allantoin and panthenol. Thanks to this, the product is suitable for vegans. It is easily absorbed and does not leave a greasy film. Its lightweight formula and fresh aroma ensure pleasant application. It can be used in many ways, as a face serum, smooths and brightens, body lotion, nourishes and firms, hand and feet cream, reduces dryness and protects the skin, aftershave cream, soothes irritation and redness, hair mask, intensely moisturizes, after sun product, calms and regenerates, aloe vera, multifunctional gel.
Hands require special care, especially in times of pandemic, when we regularly use hand sanitizers causing dry skin. This is where the regenerating hand serum from the Complete Care line comes to the rescue. Almost 100% natural ingredients, rich formula and light texture make it an indispensable product nowadays. Check out our latest arrival.
Regenerating hand serum, thanks to its rich, concentrated formula, perfectly nourishes your hands. It contains up to 97% ingredients of natural origin: aloe vera juice, shea butter, olive oil, glycerine, and allantoin fantastically moisturize and regenerate the skin, visibly improving its condition. Thanks to its light texture, it is quickly absorbed and does not leave a greasy film on the skin. Especially recommended for damaged and dry hands, and after using hand sanitizers containing alcohol, dermatologically tested.
We've already taken care of your hands, now it's time for your feet. After the winter months, the skin is dry and requires intensive care. It needs a regenerative boost to be perfectly ready for the summer. From now on, you can enjoy a spa-grade treatment at the comfort of your home with an exfoliating foot peel we have for you. Its intensity adapts to the needs of the skin. This is a new addition to the Complete Care line, perfectly complementing the Foot Care series.
Exfoliating foot peel effectively removes keratinized epidermis. Thanks to AHA/BHA acids, it perfectly regenerates the skin, and a rich complex of natural extracts, urea and allantoin, additionally moisturizes and rebuilds it. Owing to a special formula, its intensity adapts to the individual needs of the skin, leaving it perfectly smooth.
We are constantly improving our websites and mobile applications so that they serve you best. Recently, we also decided to refresh the well-known and popular FM News application, thanks to which we keep our business partners all over the world informed about company news. We hope the changes we made will be to your liking.
Meet the latest version of the FM News app, available exclusively to members of the FM World Club. Download it from Google Play or the App Store and log in with your business partner number and password. Discover new functionalities and stay up to date with all the latest news. More information all in one place. The most important news. Quick and efficient contact with consultants. Write or record. Choose the most convenient way for you to communicate with the Business Partner Service Office around the clock, 7 days a week. Enjoy the fresh new interface, intuitive navigation, modern layout, visible improvement in readability, easier navigation through the menu. Special offers, promotions, events, products, catalogs, and folders. Thanks to social media plugins, you can share any content from the website on your profiles with just one click. Rediscover the FM News app.
In order to see that Fit 6 program can work wonders, just look at the metamorphosis of its participants. All of them agree it's a real revolution in nutrition, and what distinguishes our program are simple rules and ease of use. We want to help more people striving for a beautiful body to achieve their goals. That is why we have created a mobile app. When you take a closer look at it, you will see it's a mobile companion of weight loss.
The Fit 6 program has already changed the lives of thousands of people around the world. The innovative formula, clear rules, and non-stop support of a dietitian and the community have revolutionized the approach to weight loss. Now losing unwanted kilograms is even easier and more enjoyable. The Fit 6 app, your mobile weight loss companion. With Fit 6, you gain access to our huge database of delicious recipes, complete with a list of products allowed or not at any given stage of the program. Regular alerts remind you when it's time to take body measurements and snap photos, when to take a supplement or even order another set. The app is available exclusively to participants of the Fit 6 program. You will find the login code in each of the sets. Download the app and take the next step towards a perfect figure. Fit 6 from NutriCode. Fit 6 from FM World.
The biggest FM World competition is on. You have few more days to get enough points to take part in the first draw. Who will win a Mitsubishi Space Star and who will get Pure Royal perfumes? We'll find out in April.
In 2020, global networking contests lasted 3 months and you have won one Mercedes-Benz GLA. But this year, we announce even greater 6-month event, second global networking contest. This year, you can win as much as 11,000 rewards and 9 cars, with the total value reaching 700,000 euros. Enter now for your chance to win. For every 300 points, you get one draw for a monthly award. March, Pure Royal and the Mitsubishi Space Star. April, Utique Perfumes and the Mitsubishi Space Star. May, Magnesium 24 Triplex Power and the Mitsubishi Space Star. June, Hair Lab Care Kit and the Mitsubishi Space Star. July, Collagen Pro Flex Strength and the Mitsubishi Space Star. August, Colostrum Extra Immunity and the Mitsubishi Space Star. For 900 points, the grand final. Don't miss out on your chance to win Mercedes A180, Mercedes C200, and Mercedes E200. Are you ready? Take part in the second Global Networking Contest, starting 1st of March. Find out more at fmworld.com.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. To make sure those who couldn't join us don't miss this important bit of information, we encourage you to share the catalogue launch on social media. I look forward to the next presentation of the latest catalogue number 34. But for now, I will only tell you that the new products will definitely put you in a summer holiday mood. See you next month.